Hi guys! So, after natin pag-usapan yung dividing polynomial by monomial, ngayon naman magdi-divide tayo by binomial. So, binomial means two terms. So, yung magiging divisor natin ay binomial. Okay? So, gagamit tayo ng iba-ibang way to get the quotient. So, we will use long division, box method, and synthetic division. Okay? So, let's start. Okay guys, so before tayo mag-divide ng polynomial by binomial, review lang natin kung paano natin malalaman kung ang dinidivide natin ay may remainder or wala. Okay? So let's say we divide 54 by 2. Okay? So di ba unahin mo natin yung unang digit. So 5 divided by 2 we have 2. And then ita times natin. So 2 times 2 we have 4. And then ima-minus natin. So 5 minus 4 that's 1. Bring down 4. 14 times divided by 2 that's 7. And 7 times 2 we have 14. And then pag minus natin 0. So ibig sabihin yung quotient natin ay 27. And dahil 0 yung nasa dulo, ibig sabihin ito yung tinatawag nating remainder. Okay? So 0 siya, ibig sabihin walang. Okay, so we have here 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 8x plus 15 divided by x minus 3. Okay? So, kaya siya dividing by binomial kasi nga, yung divisor natin ay binomial. Dalawang terms. Isang x and isang negative 3. Okay? Now, para ma-divide natin to at makuha yung quotient, gagamit tayo ng tatlong strategy. Una, long division, and then box method, and then synthetic division. Okay? So, tingnan natin kung ano yung mas madali para sa inyo. Okay, so gamitin na natin yung long division. So, una, bawat term. So, 2x cubed divided by x. Okay, and that is 2x squared. Okay? And then, ita-times natin sa bawat term. So, 2x squared times x, that is 2x cubed. Okay? And then, 2x squared times negative 3, that is negative 6x squared. Okay? Yan. And then, ima-minus, tama? But don't forget to put open and close parentheses. So, in this case, alam naman natin na yung negative sa labas, madidistribute siya sa bawat term. So, ngayon, mag-iiba yung sign nila. So, ito naman magiging negative, ito magiging positive. Okay? So, we have now positive 2x cube and negative 2x cube. So, definitely, canceled na lang yan kasi magiging 0 na yan. Okay? So, I don't need to write it. And then, we have here negative 5 squared and positive 6x squared. So, we have now x squared. Tama ba? Kasi negative 5 and positive 6, definitely that is 1. So, we don't need to write the coefficient 1. And then, bring down this. Okay? So, again, magdi-divide ulit tayo. So, x squared divided by x. So, we have positive x. Okay? And then, x times x. So, i-multiply ulit natin sila. So, x times x, we have x squared. And then, x times negative 3, that is negative 3x. Okay? And then, ganun ulit, minus natin. But, distribute the negatives. It will become negative now and it will become positive. Okay? So, cancel out ulit to. And then, yung negative 8x plus 3x, it will become now negative 5x. Okay? And then, bring down this. So, we have now positive 15. So, divide ulit natin. Negative 5x divided by x. So, we have negative 5. So, times ulit natin siya sa bawat term. So, negative 5 times x, that is negative 5x. And then, negative 5 times negative 3, that is positive 15. Okay? So, again, i-minus natin. So, mag-iiba yung sign nila. So, we have now negative and positive 5x, so canceled. And then we have we have positive 15 and negative 15, so canceled then. Okay, so in here, ang naging sagot niya is 0 or remainder. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung kanyang quotient. So, pag walang remainder ang inyong quotient, ibig sabihin, yung 2x squared plus x minus 5 ay factor nitong ating polynomial. Okay? So, ganito ang paggamit ng long division when we divide polynomials by binomial. Okay, so gamitin naman natin yung box method to get the quotient of this. Okay? So, from the word itself, gagawa tayo ng box. So, dalawang column siya, or dalawang row siya kasi nga dalawa yung term ng ating divisor. Sa isang x and isang negative 3. So, yung unang step, yung ilalagay natin dito is yung unang term ng ating polynomial, which is 2x cubed. And then, i-divide natin to dito. Okay? So, 2x cubed divided by x, so we have 2x squared. Okay? So, dapat pag minultiply to, ito yung magiging product. Okay? So, next step, i-multiply natin to. So, 2x squared times negative 3, we have negative 6x squared. Okay? So, yung next naman, ngayon, ang mag-iisip tayo ng ilalagay dito, para pag pinag-combine sila, ang magiging sagot is yung second term, which is negative 5x squared. So, yung number na yan ay x squared. Tama ba? Kasi isang positive 1 and negative 6, so pag kinombine mo yan, you have negative 5x squared. Okay? So, ngayon ito, at saka ito, i-divide natin. So, x squared divided by x, then we have positive x. Okay? So, pag tinimes mo to, at saka to, dapat x squared yung lalabas. So, x times negative 3, we have negative 3x. Okay? Next naman, so, dun tayo ulit sa next. Yan. Ano naman yung ilalagay ko dito para pag pinagsama ko yan, itong third term naman yung lalabas. And we know that that is negative 5x. Okay? Kasi pag pinagsama mo yan, we have now negative 8x. So, negative 5x, divide mo dito sa x, so we have negative 5. So, i-times mo sila, dapat negative 5x. Okay? So, negative 5 times negative 3, we have now positive 15. Kasi parehas na negative. Okay? So, kung yung lumabas dito is ito ng last term or your constant term, so ibig sabihin, 0 ang ating remainder. So, that's the end. Okay? So, ito na ngayon ang ating quotient. Alright? So, kanina, yan lang din yung nakuha nating quotient gamit yung long division. So, tama tayo. Okay? So, again, kapag yung lumabas dito is yung constant term natin, ibig sabihin that's the end. Ibig sabihin 0 ang ating remainder. Okay? Okay, so kunin naman natin yung quotient nito gamit yung synthetic division. Okay? So, gagawa tayo ng isang L. And then, yung ilalagay natin sa side nito is yung opposite ng isang term ng ating divisor. So, that's negative 3. So, magiging positive 3 siya dito. Okay? And then, sa side na to, ilalagay natin lahat ng coefficient ng ating polynomials. Pati na rin yung constant term. Okay? So, we have here 2, negative 5, negative 8, and positive 15. Okay? Now, ibaba na natin yung 2 and times natin dito sa 3. So, 2 times 3, we have 6. So, ilalagay natin dyan. And then, when we combine this, that is positive 1. Okay? And then, i-times ulit natin sa 3. So, that is positive 3. When we combine this, that is negative 5. Okay? And then, times natin siya sa 3, it will become now negative 15. And when we combine this, that is 0. So, kapag 0 na yan, ibig sabihin, we're done. And ito yung kanyang remainder. So, wala tayong remainder. Okay? Now, para dun sa variable ng ating quotient, ang gagawin lang natin ay i-divide natin tong x cubed sa x. Okay? So, if that's the case, diba, pag x cubed divided by x, so again, minus lang natin yung coefficient, yung exponent. So, we have x squared. Okay? So, ilalagay natin yan dito sa tabi ng 2. Okay? So, dito naman sa 1, that's x. So, parang magsusunod-sunod lang yung degree. So, we have x squared, then x, and then yung 5, of course, that is our constant term. So, yung final answer natin ay 2x squared plus, So, dahil coefficient niya ay 1, I don't need to write it. So, x na lang, and then minus 5. Okay? So, ito yung quotient na nakuha natin gamit yung synthetic division, and same lang naman siya dun sa nakuha natin gamit yung long division and box method. So, ibig sabihin, tama tayo. Okay? Okay guys, so tulad ng isang division, 'di ba? When we divide, let's say 54 and 2, 'di ba yung lumabas 27? So for us to double check kung tama yung nakuha nating sagot, ang ginagawa natin, i-multiply natin yung quotient dun sa divisor. So pag minultiply natin yan, dapat ang lalabas ay yung dividend. So, ganun din yung gagawin natin to check our polynomial. Okay? Now, ang nakuha nating quotient ay 2x squared plus x minus 5. Tama ba? And then, i-multiply natin sa divisor na x minus 3. So, sulat natin ulit. So, ang mangyayari ngayon ay, i-multiply natin sa divisor natin yung quotient na nakuha natin. Of course, gamit yung distributive property. Okay? So, x muna. So, we have we have 2x squared, 2x cubed, and then, we have positive x squared, and then, negative 5x. Okay? And then, yung negative 3 naman, i-times natin sa lahat ng term. So, we have negative 3 times 2x squared, so that is negative 6x squared. So, itapat na natin siya dun sa like term. And then, we have negative 3x, and then positive 15. Okay? And then, combined like terms. So, just bring down positive 15. And then, we have negative 5 and negative 3x. So, we have negative 8x. And then, we have positive x squared and negative 6x squared. So, we have negative 5x squared. And then, just bring down 2x cubed. Okay? So, ito ang kanyang product, which is, ito yung polynomial na dinidivide natin. 2x cubed minus 5x squared minus 8x plus 15. So, ibig sabihin, kung ito yung product natin, tama yung factors na nakuha natin na, tama yung quotient na nakuha natin na 2x squared plus x minus 5. Okay? Okay, so this time, magdi-divide naman tayo ng polynomial by binomial, pero ngayon meron ng remainder. Okay? So, let's say we have 55 and we divide it by 2. So, 5 divided by 2, we have 2, and then 2 times 2, we have 4. Minus natin, that's 1. Bring down 5. 15 divided by 2, that is 7. And then, 7 times 2, that's 14. Pag minus, meron pang 1. Okay? So, yung sinasabi nating 1, ito yung remainder. So, pag may remainder ang ating polynomial, ibig sabihin, yung nandito sa taas or quotient niya ay hindi factor ng ating dividend. Okay? Kasi nga may remainder siya. So, mamaya, pag nag-divide tayo ng polynomial, so makikita natin yung magiging remainder natin. Okay? Okay, so we have your 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x plus 5 divided by x plus 2. So, ang divisor natin ay binomial and we have two terms which is x and 2. Okay? So, gamitin muna natin yung unang method which is the long division. So, 2x cubed divided by x. So, we have 2x squared. And then, i-times ulit natin sila sa kada term. So, 2x squared times x. So, we have 2x cubed. Oh, yan. And then, 2x squared times 2, we have 4x cubed. Okay? And then, minus, but don't forget the open and close parentheses. So, magbabago ulit yung sign nila. It will become negative and it will become negative also. So, we have here positive and negative 2x cubed. So, technically canceled na yan kasi 0 lang yan. And then, we have negative 3x squared and negative 4x squared. So, we have negative 7x squared. Okay? And then, bring down this. So, we have positive 4x. So, divide ulit natin yung negative 7x squared dito sa x. So, that is negative 7x. Negative 7x times ulit natin both. So, we have negative 7x squared, and negative 14x. Okay? So, minus ulit, but don't forget the open and close parentheses. So, magiging positive both sign. Okay? So, we have negative and positive 7x squared. So, canceled na siya. And then, we have positive 4x and positive 14x. So, we have positive 18x. Okay? And then, just bring down this. Is this 5 or 15? Oh, yeah, it's 5. Yeah, so bring down positive 5. So, divide ulit natin. 18x divided by x. So, we have positive 18. Then, multiply ulit natin sila. So, 18 times x, we have 18x. And then, 18 times 2, we have 36. Okay, and then minus. So, mag-iiba yung sign. So, we have now positive and negative 18x. So, canceled. And then, we have positive 5 and negative 36. So, we have negative 31. Okay? So, kung mapapansin nyo, ang natira is negative 31, hindi 0. So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong remainder negative 31. So, yung mangyayari ngayon dyan ay, ilalagay natin dito, ipa-plus natin dito yung remainder negative 31 over yung divisor natin na x plus 2. Okay? Yan. So, ibig sabihin, ito ang ating sagot. 2x squared minus 7x plus 18 plus negative 31 over x plus 2. Okay? Okay, so kunin naman natin yung quotient nito gamit yung box method. So, yung divisor natin ay ilalagay natin dito, isang x at positive 2. And then, yung unang box dito, ito na yung 2x cubed. Okay? Now, i-divide natin yung 2x cubed dito sa x, and the answer is 2x squared. So, dapat pag tinimes to, dapat ito yung product. Okay? So, 2x squared times 2, that is 4x squared. Okay? And then, ito dapat, pag pinag-combine, ang magiging sagot dyan is yung second term na negative 3x squared. Okay? So, ang ilalagay natin dyan para maging negative 3x squared ay negative 7x squared. Tama ba? Pag pinag-combine to, dapat negative 3x squared. Okay? Then, i-divide natin yung negative 7x squared dito sa x. So, the answer is negative 7x. Okay? And then, multiply natin to, tsaka to, and then we have negative 14x. Okay? So, next naman, para dito, so, anong ilalagay ko dyan? Para pag pinag-combine natin yan, ito naman yung magiging sagot. Okay? And then, we have 18x. Okay? So, 18x divided by x, so we have positive 18. And then, 18 times 2, we have 36. Okay? Now, ang mangyayari is, hindi naging 5, di ba? Ito yung last term natin. So, 36 yun nandito. So, in short, mag-iisip tayo ng number na pag pinag-combine natin, ito yung magiging sagot. So, that is negative 31. Okay? Kasi pag kinumbine mo to, ang magiging sagot ay positive 5, which is our constant term. So, in short, itong negative 31 nito, ayan yung remainder natin. Okay? So, yung final answer natin is ito, na 2x squared minus 7x plus 18 plus yung remainder natin na negative 31 over yung divisor natin na x plus 2. Okay? So, ito ang ating quotient. So, same lang naman yung nakuha nating sagot kanina gamit yung ating long division. So, ngayon naman, kunin natin yung quotient gamit yung synthetic division. Okay? So, again, kunin muna natin yung opposite ng isang term ng ating divisor. So, dahil positive 2 yan, ang opposite niya is negative 2. Okay? And then, lahat ng coefficient at yung constant term, ilalagay natin dito. Okay? So, we have 2, negative 3, positive 4, and positive 5. Baba na natin yung positive 2. So, i-times natin dito. So, 2 times negative 2, that is negative 4. And then, when we combine this, we have negative 7. And then, negative 7 times negative 2, we have positive 14. When we combine this, we have 18. And then, 18 times negative 2, we have negative 36. When we combine this, we have negative 31. Okay? So, hindi naging 0 yung sagot. So, ibig sabihin, ito yung ating remainder. Okay? So, para sa variable ulit nila, ang gagawin lang natin is i-divide natin to at saka to. So, when we do that, diba, we have x cubed divided by x. So, it will become x cubed minus 1. So, we have x squared. Okay? So, ang gagawin lang natin, ilalagay lang natin sila dito hanggang sa pa-decrease yung degree. So, x squared yan. Ito ay x. And then, yung constant term natin, wala na siyang variable. Okay? So, matik, x raised to 0 na yon. So, ang final answer natin ay 2x squared minus 7x plus 18. Okay? Yung positive 18 natin. Plus yung negative 31 over yung divisor natin na x plus 2. Okay? So, ito ang ating quotient. So, same siya dun sa quotient na nakuha natin gamit yung long division and yung synthetic division. Okay? Okay guys, so kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayo ditong x cubed minus 8 divided by x minus 2. So, yung polynomial natin, dinivide natin sa ating binomial. But, dito, hindi naka-arrange yung degree ng ating polynomial na x cubed minus 8. So, may nawawala tayong x squared at saka x. Okay? So, kapag nag-divide tayo, kailangan muna natin silang i-arrange from highest to lowest degree. So, ang gagawin muna natin, isusulat natin to ulit, and magiging x cubed minus, so nawawalang x squared, diba? So, magiging 0x squared. Hay, bakit may? Okay guys, so kung mapapansin nyo, meron tayo ditong x cubed minus 8 divided by x minus 2. Okay? So, yung polynomial natin, hindi siya naka-arrange from highest to lowest degree. Dapat, before we do the division, kailangan i-arrange muna natin siya. Okay? So, i-rewrite natin to. Kung napapansin nyo, nawawala yung squared guy at saka yung x lang. So, magiging x cubed, idagdag natin yung squared, at idagdag din natin yung x lang. Okay? Saka natin ilagay yung negative 8. Okay? So, kung mapapansin nyo, ang ating polynomial ngayon ay naka-arrange na from highest to lowest degree. Okay? Now, saka natin siya i-divide sa ating binomial na x minus 2. Okay? So, ganun guys, pag nakakita kayo ng gantong expression, before you do the division, i-arrange nyo muna from highest to lowest degree, and i-fill in nyo yung nawawala nating degree. Okay, so after natin ma-fill in yung nawawalang degree dun sa ating polynomial, we can start dividing na. So, unahin muna natin yung long division method, okay? By the way guys, kapag nag-fill in tayo na nawawalang degree, like this, so ang magiging coefficient lang niya is 0. Kasi technically, di ba, ang equivalent lang yan is 0. Okay? So, pag pinag-add natin yan sa x cubed at saka dun sa negative 8, wala din naman effect. Magiging x cubed minus 8 lang din yan. So, ginagawa lang natin to para ma-divide natin sila. Okay? So, again, magiging 0 lang yung coefficient pag naglagay tayo ng nawawalang degrees. Okay? So, mag-divide na tayo. So, x cubed divided by x, that is x squared. And then, multiply ulit natin sila. So, we have x cubed. And then, we have negative 2x squared. Okay, and then minus, open and close parentheses. So, mag-iiba yung sign. So, we have here positive and negative x cubed. So, canceled. And then, we have 0x squared and positive 2x squared. So, magiging 2x squared lang siya. And then, bring down this. So, divide natin yung 2x squared sa x. So, 2x squared divided by x. So, we have positive 2x. And then, times natin both. So, we have 2x squared. And then, negative 4x. Okay? Then, minus ulit. Then, mag-iiba yung sign. So, we have positive and negative 2x squared. Cancelled. And then we have positive 0x and 4x, so that is 4x, okay? And then bring down this, negative 8. Tapos divide ulit natin yung 4x tsaka x. So we have positive 4. So 4 times both. So 4x, 4 times x, that's 4x. 4 times negative 2, that is negative 8. So, pag minus natin yan, so we have positive and negative 4x and negative and positive 8. So, cancel lang. So, 0. So, ibig sabihin, wala tayong remainder. So, ito na ang ating quotient. Okay? So, we have x squared plus 2x plus 4. Okay, guys. So, imagine nyo, hindi natin to inarrange. So, let's say, yung x cubed, dinivide natin agad dito. So, we have x squared. Tama? X squared times x, we have x cubed. And then, x squared times negative 2, we have negative 2x squared. So, pag minus natin yan, so, combine natin. So, ito, pwede nating makombine. And that's 0. Tama? But ito, hindi sila like terms kasi ito, walang variable. And then, ito, merong x squared. So, in short, hindi natin siya mako-combine. So, hindi natin makakuha yung quotient nila. Okay? So, unlike dito sa ginawa natin, nung fill in natin siya, nagkaroon na tayo ng like terms na x squared at saka yung x. Okay? Kaya natin siya nasagutan. Alright? So, that's the reason why we need first to arrange it from highest to lowest and i-fill in natin yung nawawalang degrees. Okay? Okay, guys. Avoid using synthetic division if yung divisor nyo ay merong second degree or above. So, let's say, x squared plus 2. Okay, so, di ba nasa second degree siya? Or above. So, let's say, third degree, fourth degree, and so on. Or, meron siyang coefficient na more than 1. So, let's say, 2x plus 2. So, yung coefficient natin ay 2. So, pag ganyan yung scenario nyo or expression nyo na meron siyang second degree and above at meron siyang coefficient na more than 1, as much as possible, hindi natin gagamit yung synthetic division. Okay? So, we can use long division and yung box method to get the quotient. Okay? Okay, so I have here 2x raised to 4 minus 9x cubed plus 21x squared minus 26x plus 12 divided by our binomial 2x minus 3. So, ito yung sinasabi natin na meron siyang coefficient na more than 1. So, hindi natin gagamitin mamaya yung synthetic division to get the quotient. So, gagamitin muna natin yung long division. So, isulat muna natin siya. So, we have 2x as our divisor. And then 2x raised to 4 minus 9x cubed plus 21x squared minus 26x plus 12. Okay, so kunin na natin ang ating quotient. So, 2x raised to 4 divided by 2x, so we have x cubed. Okay? And then x cubed times 2x. So, we have 2x raised to 4. And then x cubed times negative 3, we have negative 3x cubed. Okay, and then minus. So, mag-iiba yung sign. Magiging negative and positive. So, we have here negative and positive 2x raised to 4. So, cancelled. And then we have negative 9x cubed and positive 3x cubed. So, we have negative 6x cubed. and then bring down this. So we have positive 21x squared. Okay, and then divide natin yung negative 6x cubed sa 2x. So we have negative 3x squared. And then times natin both. So we have negative 6x cubed. And then we have 3x squared times 3x, or negative 3. So that will become positive 9x squared. Then minus. So mag-iiba yung sign nito. So ito ay magiging negative. Okay? So we have negative and positive 6x cubed. So canceled siya. And then we have positive 21x squared and negative 9x squared. So that will become positive 12x squared. And then bring down yung negative 26x. Okay? And then divide natin yung 12x squared sa 2x. So that is positive 6x. Okay? And then multiply natin siya, both. So we have 12x squared and then negative 18x. Then minus. So mag-iiba yung sign. So we have positive and negative 12x squared. So canceled. And then we have negative 26x and positive 18x. So that is 8x negative. Okay? And then bring down yung positive 12. So divide natin. Oops. Negative 8x divided by 2x. So that is negative 4. And then times ulit natin both. So, negative 4 times 2x, so that is negative 8x. And then negative 4 times negative 3, that is positive 12. So, minus. So, magiging positive, magiging negative. So, we have here negative and positive 8x, so canceled. And then we have here positive 12 and negative 12 canceled. So, in short, wala tayong remainder. Okay? So, yung quotient natin ay x cubed minus 3x squared plus 6x minus 2. Okay? Okay, so kunin naman natin yung quotient nito gamit yung box method. So, yung divisor natin, ilalagay natin dito sa gilid. Okay? So, yung first box, ito, ilalagay natin doon. Okay? 2x raised to 4. And then, i-divide natin sila. And the answer is x cubed. And then, multiply natin to. Dapat ang sagot is 2x raised to 4. Okay? And then, multiply natin si x cubed. And then, negative 3. And the answer is negative 3x cubed. Okay? Next naman, mag-iisip tayo ng i-combine natin sa negative 3x cubed para ang sagot ay negative 9x cubed. And that is negative 6x cubed. Okay? So, divide natin to at saka to. And that is negative 3x squared. So, pag tinimes to at saka to, dapat ang sagot ay negative 6x cubed. Okay? So, i-times natin ito. So, negative 3x squared times negative 3, that is positive 9x squared. Okay? So, next naman, so mag-iisip tayo ng i-combine natin sa 9 squared para ang sagot ay positive 21x squared. And that is, what? Positive 12x squared. Okay? So, 12x squared divided by 2x, that is positive 6x. Okay? Then, times natin to at saka to, and the answer is negative 18x. Okay? So, next naman, anong i-combine natin sa negative 18x para ang sagot ay yung next na term, which is negative 26x. And that is negative 8x. Okay? So, negative 8x, divide natin dito, and the answer is positive, that is negative 4. And then times natin to at saka to, and the answer is positive 12. Okay? So, ito na yung constant term natin. So, ibig sabihin, 0 ang ating remainder. Okay? So, the quotient now is x cubed minus 3x squared plus 6x minus 4. So, same lang din yung nakuha natin kanina nung ginamit natin yung long division.